It's been many months. I haven't posted any video, so I thought I should make few videos and inform you what I've been doing in these months. If you have been watching my channel, you must have seen that I've developed the signal dashboard, and I use it to trade daily. These are the signals that I post. See, nowadays I'm trading gold a lot. So this buy order, close order, this thing, I order the signals I have posted, and these are the years that they tell me that excess buy percent close 2.54 right, mm, broker at a gold dollar buy order close successfully $53. This signal dashboard is helping me a lot in my trading, and I use it from my mobile phone. I normally trade from my mobile phone. See, it's mobile responsive. So the problem with the Django is I have made the signal dashboard in Django. If you want course on Django, then in the comments you people can write that you want a course on Django. I'll develop a course on Django for you people also. Django is a very powerful Python web framework, and one of the most successful websites that uses Django is Instagram. Django, when I developed this Django app, all this dashboard that was created by the pre-built. I didn't have to do anything. Creating this dashboard, if I do it myself, a lot of work. But the Python basic philosophy is batteries included. So Django is the framework that has done most of the things for us, and batteries included framework. Makes the admin panel everything. You don't have to do anything. You just have to make the models, views, and change some settings, and then we have the app. Now the problem with this Django framework is that it's not asynchronous, means not multi-threaded and multi-core. This is the problem not with Django, but in fact it's a problem with Python. Python is a single-threaded language. There is a jail. If you will learn for Python after some time, you learn about the jail. Jail means global interpreter lock. So just Python runs in one single thread. Now my laptop has got 4 cores. Each core has got 2 threads, 8 threads. So once I'm running Python, I'm just using one thread. So isn't it the wastage of resources? If my laptop has got 4 cores, or if my server has got 4 cores and there are 8 threads, I want to use them. So how I can't use them? There's another framework that is now getting very popular in Python, FastAPI. It's really fast. It is performance is on par with Node.js and Go. So I decided to then shift this. It's not that I'm facing any problem with my signal dashboard, but I'm just looking to the future when I'll be trading under 200 accounts. So once I scale up, then things will become somewhat slow. So I want to make my app asynchronous. Want to make it multi-core and multi-threaded. Fast API can help me but again it's Python web framework, and it is also single threaded. Problem with this Python is that it's single threaded. Whatever you do, you can't leave that single thread. The program will run. So if you read books on concurrency, Python concurrency, you'll find out that we are just pretending as if this is we are doing asynchronous. In fact, what we are doing is we are jumping between the jobs. When the database is busy, we do something, come back. What I want is something that is truly multi-core and multi-threaded. If you have been watching my videos, you must have known by now that I learned C sharp and I have been programming indicator for Ninja Trader. So I thought, why shouldn't I learn the ASP.NET Core? So I learned ASP.NET Core. It took me, I think, 1 year, but now I made that app in ASP.NET Core. In the next video, I'll show it. So that is the main reason why I didn't learn FastAPI. FastAPI is also Python-based web framework, and it's very fast. And as you can see on the website, they're saying it's performance on par with node.js and Go, but still it's Python. So I shifted to C sharp. In C sharp, asynchronous is built right from the start, from the get-go. So C sharp is natively multi-core, multi-threaded, and the job of the compiler to use the full resources of the laptop or server. So this is ASP.NET Core. The next video I'll then show you how I have done it. I hope you like this video. My main purpose was that learning a new framework takes time. I could have decided to learn fast API. It could have taken maybe 9, 10 months. So I said, no, I know C sharp. I can learn ASP.NET Core. And I think I made the right decision because ASP.NET Core is in true sense multi-core and multi-thread. I hope you like my